Hello, welcome back. Today, the topic we are going to cover is associated with lists. In the previous video, we talked about how to insert items in the list. But in this video, we are going to discuss how to remove items from the list and what methods does Python provides us to do so. Basically, there are three main functions that are used 80% of the time. And if we master that, uh, our tasks of removing items or to do some complex things based on removing items from a list will become a way easier. So let's start. How does it work? So these three methods are remove, pop, and clear. First, let me give you an example of how this works through a shopping list because we understood how to insert items also through a shopping list. Now, if we extend this metaphor, that will be easier to remember. So, remove means you strike through one of the items in the list. That means you delete them. There is no longer the need of it. So, you strike through it and make it unnecessary to be counted. Okay. The pop means that you cut out this onion from this paper. Okay, you actually cut out the piece where onion is written and put it in your pocket. So that gives you two benefits. It is also subtracted from the list and you can use it somewhere else. For example, you can give it to your friend that onions are your responsibility, you have to do so. Okay, and clear means you just crumble up this list and throw it away. So all of the items in the list will be deleted by clear method. Let us do so by an example. And let us take the same list we used for understanding inserting items in a list. Okay, so let me connect the Google Colab with the server. And we have initiated this list variable. Okay, so let's start with shopping list dot remove. Now I can specify which one I have to strike out from this whole list. I will say juice. I'm striking out juice because we are going to make fresh juices out of fruits in our house today, so no need to buy a juice. Okay, and juices are eliminated from the list. Let's see what's the situation of list now. And yes, there are no juices out there. Now let us apply the which method? Pop method. Pop method means cutting out the piece of paper where onion is written. Okay, so if I just give it the method pop and don't specify anything like 2 or 3 here, it will pop up the last item and save it in my, for example, pop variable. Okay, it will pop up the last item. So we will be seeing there is now no true in the list. See, but I can also specify which one of the items I have to pop. Okay, it's like cutting out the paper from middle and then sticking it up together. Okay, so I can say I want the item on the second place to be eliminated and saved in another variable to be cut out from my paper list and put it in my pocket so I can give it to my friend. He can buy that. So 0, this is 0 index and this egg is 1 index. Even though it's in actual manner, it's on the second position. I will have to say 1. Now the po variable contains eggs. Okay, let's try to print it. Eggs, it does have eggs. Now your mom says, we are not going to make any food tonight. We have been invited to our relatives for a dinner. So crumble up this list. So what will you do? You will select this list and go with the clear method, and hooray, the list doesn't have any item. It's like it has died. A bit scary. Oh, nothing left in the list. So thank you very much for being with me on our journey to learn modern Python and advance today a little bit by learning how to remove items from a list. See you in the next video.